Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Born to Save. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix photo swipe not working on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now we can see there is swipe option and we can see there's dots over here as well. But if we try this, we cannot actually swipe it. So if this problem appears, make sure you have the updated version of TikTok, and for that you can simply get into Play Store to update it. If you see update button over here, simply click on that to update it. And you can also try restarting your device as well, and if that does not work, we can try reporting the problem. So let's get into TikTok. Click on your profile icon in the bottom. So here it is, and click on this three-line icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Now let's click on chat with us option in the bottom. Now here you can simply write your problem that you are unable to swipe the photos in TikTok videos. So simply write your problem here and click on this send icon over here in the right. Once you are done with that, you'll get a reply from help desk of TikTok and your problem will finally fix. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.